teacher, friend, and parents. My name is Nadhira. I'm going to tell you a story about the clever bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Here goes the story. Once there were two best friends that lived in the jungle. The lion roared, 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 and the crocodile. One day they were feeling very hungry. Ouch, ouch. The lion said, "Oh my friend, I'm starving. I want to eat something." The crocodile said, "Yes dear, I'm also starving. Let's go and find something to eat." They searched here and there, here and there. They searched everywhere and they found a pizza. They both took the pizza and ran away. Finally, we found pizza to eat, the lion said eagerly. This is fun. I saw it first, the crocodile said persistently. "No, it's mine. I saw it first," the lion said persistently. "No." They started fighting. "This is mine," the lion insisted. "No, it's mine," the crocodile insisted. "No way, it's absolutely mine. I'll eat it," the lion furiously. "No way, it's absolutely mine. I'll eat it," the crocodile said furiously. They kept fighting. While they were fighting, a bird was observing for quite some time. Tweet, 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 tweet. The bird flew down and said calmly, "Oh my friend, why are you fighting? I can help you. I can divide the pizza equally between you two, if you agree." The crocodile and the lion were agreed. "Okay, the bird, please divide the pizza equally." It's easy. I'm going to the pizza equally, half and half. The bird started to peck at the pizza. And finally, it succeeded to divide the pizza into two. But oh, they are not equal. One piece is bigger than the other. See, this is small and this is big. The bird said, "Oh, they are not equal. Let me take a bite from the bigger one to make them equal." Bit by bit, the bird fed and ate the bigger one. But oh, they are not equal. One thing is bigger than the other. See, this is small and this is big. Huh? The bird said. They are not equal. One thing is bigger than the other. See, this is small and this is big. Huh? The bird said. Bit by bit, the bird back and ate the bigger one. Pop, 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 pop. The bird said, see, this is equal now. This one for you and this one for you. Bye. Tweet, 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 tweet. The lion and the crocodile looked at the tiny pieces of pizza left. They realized the bird had cheated on them, but it was too late. It had flown away. Hey, come back! How dare you, little bird! We're going to eat you! The lion and the crocodile shouted furiously. They ate the tiny pieces of pizza. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. But they were still hungry. They growled with empty.